Hello guys, and future game developers. In today's video, we will explain how to install Unity. So first thing to do this, is to go to Unity site. Click, to download Unity Hub. If you have downloaded and installed Unity Hub, you should open it. Unity Hub is central organizational place of all your activity. It houses all Unity projects. Also houses your different version of Unity, already installed. You see here I was in the Projects tab. You can see bunch of projects. There is also, Learn tab. You can actually download sample projects or follow tutorials. You have Community tab, where you can read Unity blog, ask questions or comment in forum topics, and then you have installs. You need to choose this tab, if you want to add new or remove existing Unity installation. Let's click on Add, so we can add new version of Unity. You can choose between different versions. For production you should use those labeled as LTS, which mean, long-term support. But, we want latest, so we will choose one of Unity 2020 versions. Now, we need to select what will be target operating system for your game. For now, if you are on Mac, choose Mac. If you are on Windows, choose Windows. You can always go back and install additional system support. Make sure you have selected documentation. After that you just need to agree, and you will start your download. While you waiting installation process, it would be good if you create account with Unity and sign in. Another thing we need to do, is to set up the license. Click on Settings, and then, License. Click on Activate New License. Go for Unity Personal. Chances are that you're probably not using it, in a professional capacity, or you are earning less than $100,000. Then click Done. Now you have license, you can create new project. In your Projects tab, click New. You can choose different templates, depending if that you intend to create 2D or 3D game. But for now, choose 3D. Name your project, and then choose good location, so all your projects are well organized. After that you should be able to click Create. We have created our first Unity project, and in our next tutorial, we will learn how to install and use Logic Forge, one of the best asset for learning Unity. May the Forge be with you.